Kubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka jingalang juga Khun menteri haka khandriu tri ukulalang kod arasa apunriu. Kalam menjur ya ka Tyrwa, jong ka tanat pulia putih, ban pendrung ya ka Jingpule ka Thymmai, ya ka ba antem, kum ka community integrated skill learning. Umitrang ba ka jelau konrat kongkal sangma, haka jingang kremi kelap pathai kubor, hadian balawai ka jingalang, uloong ba ya ka ni ka Jingpule ba Thymmai, ansa sedang naduk ka kerdan, kelas 6 haduk kelas 10. Bala terwaru, ban bu san marks, haka bagi kena skul, kin hab ban le ya ka kam ka bagi Kmie paru kitrei, la ka long haka kam shet tendur, ni ka kam shonar, ni kiwe ki jat kam.
Proposal for introduction of community integrated skill learning as a structured curricular component for class 6 to class 10. As you're aware that there is a component for physical and health education as one of the components as a sixth subject in the curriculum for class 6 and class 10, and that particular curriculum is very much restricted to different books and different information regarding health and physical activities and so on and so forth. Today we have decided in the cabinet that in that particular subject we will introduce a component of community integrated skill learning. This is a very innovative proposal that has come from the education department, where what we intend to do is we intend to put 50% of the marks for the student in that particular subject, in this case the health and physical education section, where the student will be asked to connect with one skill or multiple skills that he or she would like to do. And that could be a skill that is being done from their family perspective point of view, maybe one of their parents. Say suppose the mother is into baking and has a bakery, then the son or the daughter would be, who's a student, would be encouraged to then learn that from their mother. Maybe the father is a blacksmith or a farmer, then the child would be asked to develop and learn that skill as a farmer, learn that skill as a blacksmith, so on and so forth. And this of course has got multiple aspects to it. Number one, the child will actually end up learning a skill that is going to be of a productive use in the future. Number two, it will also ensure that there is a continuity in terms of the occupation of that particular family. It's not necessary the child has to follow the same profession, but at least the chance of continuity is going to be higher. So sometimes we see that the children stay away from the family kind of business or family activities, and this will ensure that at least the option of desiring to continue would be promoted by introducing this particular aspect. And third aspect is the whole aspect of the social impact within families. So you will see children talking to their parents and telling them, well, can you teach me baking? Because that's part of the marks that I'm supposed to get in my subject. And if I don't do that, then I will lose out the 50%. So it will also encourage a good, positive, coordination within the family members, and it will have a good social impact also. So all of these things were thought through, and we have decided that we will introduce this, the community integrated skill learning section in the structured curricular component for class 6 to class 10. It's not a new skill project. Basically the idea is that within the subject of the health and physical education that's there, we are putting a 50% component of skill training to be introduced. And this skill training is very unique because the society, the community, the parents, the family members will be the people who will be training these children. So there's no really, a curriculum for it. So the mother will teach the son or the daughter, to maybe, grow different vegetables, how it's grown, or to rear different birds, or to rear, or to fish, or farm fish. So it's really a very community-based skill program where the community, the parents, the families will be involved in skilling their child, teaching them maybe the family traditions, the family skills, the family work that they were doing, and pass on that knowledge to their children, and that will become a part of the curriculum in terms of the marks that will be given to the children. So that's very unique and very innovative program that we're doing.